What up, my people? What up? 1 second, 1 second. Let's see if we live. Let's see if we are live. 1 second, 1 second. Perfecto. We are live. We are on like a scone. We are on like a scone. Let's go, guys. Let's close up this door real quick. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I also need to get a charger, bro. I need to get a charger for my phone, man. What a charger I don't know. This guy has no charger. Alexander Napolkov. What is your charger, bro? Let me get my charger, bro. I see a charger over here. Listen to here. Boom. Listen to my phone. Boom. We charging. Let's go. Let's take a seat back here. Let's move this microphone Nino over here. What up, my people? How are you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing well on this beautiful Monday afternoon. We're about to, of course, smash gold. You already know how it's done. Right now it goes. Let's move this camera. I want to get it a bit higher though. Like what? Okay, it's fine. It's all good. It's not a stress. I told you guys, can I get the 17 Pro? And we got the 17 Pro. Literally straight after the stream on Thursday, I went and I got the 17 Pro because I said, nah, we smashed gold. I need to get it, and boom. Here we go. 17 Pro. Where's Marco today? Marco is not here on the stream. Today it's just myself. I'm going to be streaming alone today. What's happening with gold? We are going to check out what's happening with gold very, very soon. For right now, we're just starting up the stream, getting everything going, just getting this microphone set up nicely. Just let me know if you guys can hear me properly, if the mic is clear, if you guys can see the screen properly, if if everything is looking good. But yeah. So far, that gold buy on Thursday was crazy, bro. I know, bro. That signal I gave out was crazy on Thursday, bro. Beautiful setup we caught on Thursday. The buys on gold. This is today's move. I actually entered over here in the morning during the Asian session. I literally bought right here. Literally. I bought there. Small stop loss below here. And I was so stupid. I closed up here at a 1:1.5. If I held, bro, I would have been up like a 1:9 risk to reward ratio. It would have been insane. I need a new phone. Let's go, bro. Let's go. You can literally purchase all you need with gold money. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Whatever you need, you just say gold. Pay for this. And boom. You paid for. But yeah. Would have bought the new. Exactly, bro. If I literally held this here, I would have made like, I think 260,000 Rand, bro. Literally, if I held it. It would have been absolutely insane. But nonetheless, bro, I'm still happy with the profits. Shukr alhamdulillah for the profits we made today. We made 8.5k on just this setup in the morning. I never sent it out as a signal just because I wanted to take a personal trade. But yeah, bro, that's that, I guess. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Before we even start off with the live stream, don't forget to, of course, leave a like on the stream. We have 82 viewers right now. Let's get to at least 30 or 40 likes on the stream right now. 92 viewers. You guys are going crazy because everyone's sleeping that. Exactly, bro. Every normal person is sleeping that time except for me because I'm not normal. I am crazy in the head. But yeah, that's why. But let's get some likes going over here on the stream. Let's get to at least 40 or 50 likes. 92 people here. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. You guys know the goal for this is to get to 3,000 subscribers. We're at almost 2.6k subs, so of course thank you guys for that. You guys are crazy. I love that from you guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this analysis here on gold. Getting into it, showing you exactly what I'm thinking for gold. I'll remove all of my drawings, go to the 30-minute time frame, and let's get straight to analyzing, right? So of course we see that gold is now pushing up very, very high. It has created this level of resistance over there. Even if you go to the daily time frame, very interesting. What you'll see is that gold has made a new all-time high. Look at that. Gold has made a new all-time high and has broken above the previous all-time high. So now we're basically trading in a range that we don't know, because the price of gold has never been this high. So it's very risky to trade, because you don't know if gold's going to just crash or it's going to continue rallying up. I personally think gold will continue to push even further and further up. But yeah, that's what I personally think. What I hope for gold is for it to push up. But let's get into why I think what I think for gold, right? So there's your all-time high over there. You can see we broke above it. I'll leave that line in on the daily time frame. Go down to the 30-minute time frame to draw in our levels of support and our resistance. And you can see that's a level of resistance up top there. A level of support that we have is down here, of course. It also extends as a level of resistance over there. So we have a nice level of resistance, a nice level of support. Then we go further down. We can see, of course, we have another level of resistance up top over there, right? And of course, we're going to have a level of support that can be drawn over here, like that, right? So instead of this level here, even I can even rather move this level here and bring it over here instead. This is a bit of a stronger level that I'm seeing over here. Yo, what's up? It's Mace. This name always gets me. It's Mesio. What's up, bro? Tepot asking how much is your mentorship and the duration. So the mentorship is 2,000 Rand once off. It's fully online, so you can watch whenever you want to. It's videos that I've recorded where you can watch the video whenever you want to. There's no specific time period. You have the videos forever. You have the PDF, and you can watch it whenever you want to. They're saying, why don't you take the level from where you moved starts? I'm not sure what you mean, bro. I'm not sure what you mean, focus sounds. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Just let me know what you mean by that, bro. What's up? What's up, Masio? Good to see you in the chat, bro. Good to see you in the chat. Good to see you in the chat. Let's see. Okay, so for me personally, right, what I'm seeing is gold right now is at the all-time high, right? We potentially could see a move down to here to take out these lows, have a retracement, and then go down. Because remember, it's at an all-time high. Can this thing click, bro? Now it looks weird. I'm thinking it's going to do this here and come down to this all-time high, because it's at all-time high, right? We know that the markets are very, very unstable when it's at an all-time high. It could just boom straight down or boom straight up. You're saying here, what would you say? Would you say the weekend is the worst time to trade than a weekly trade? You can't trade on the weekends, bro, because the markets are closed on the weekends. So I'm not sure what you mean by that, bro. I mean, the markets are closed during the weekend, so you can't trade on Saturday and Sunday. So yeah, that's basically that, bro. My day's going good, bro. My day's going good. I just went to the bank, picked up my new private wealth clients card, of course, and then got some lunch, and then came here to stream. Whoa, to stream. Sneeze there, crazy. But I'm seeing that gold might go down. What are your thoughts on synthetic indexes like volatility index? For me personally, I don't like it, because it's not like a real market. It's basically just a algorithm that they've made to basically look like it's a trade, like it's a tradable market. So I don't like it. I like to trade actual gold or Nasdaq USD, like a real pair that has actual like meaningful value in the world. But yeah, that's my thoughts on the synthetics, on the synthetic markets. Yes, it is good. I mean, you can make a lot of money from it. For me personally, I don't want to. I'd rather just trade normal, but yeah. Sorry, your car. Yeah, 100%, bro. It happens. It happens. It's life, bro. It's life. The car got in a small accident. It's not the end of the world. We have gold and we smash gold to make money to repair it. It's actually at the workshop right now being repaired at BMW. So that's the nice thing. So yeah, like I was saying, is US30 haram? I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. I'm not a scholar of Islam to be commenting if it's halal or haram, so I can't tell you. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm seeing on gold that we might have a sell-off. You can see rejection, rejection, and now it's very slow. This candle is not moving that much, which means that the bullish momentum seems to be actually dying down, right? So that's why for me personally right now, I am seeing that there might be a sell-off here on gold now at the NY session at 4:30 in just about 20 minutes or so, or about 18 minutes or so. We have NY open. So yeah, if we can break below this level of support, I'll even type in here that this is a level of support. If we can break below this level of support, like I'm showing you right here, then we could have a possible sell-off all the way to the downside to this all-time high, maybe even down until this level here, until 4350, and then have possible buys all the way back up to the top. So yeah, you're saying here 30-minute time frame, why don't you mark support from the start at the move basically with the daily open? Because I look at the most recent data, bro. That's why I'm looking at the most recent price action that's going on right now, and I'm using that there, and I'm taking my trade of the most recent price action. Do you trade oil? No, I don't trade oil. I only trade gold. Thoughts on EU, which is Euro USD? Let's go and check it out. Let me delete all the drawings. Crazy. EU. Euro USD. Of course, we have the high all the way up top here, which is your level of resistance that you mark out. We then have, let's see, you can draw level of support down here, of course. Level of support. Looking at the huge bullish impulse, we might have a minor pullback. Exactly. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that we have a minor pullback to a level of support, and then look for buys from there. I thought gold was haram. Nah, bro. Who's giving you guys this information, bro? Who is giving you guys this information? Not sure, but yeah, there's the levels there. For me personally, I think that Euro USD could possibly go up from here, because you can see how it has broken above this level. It's now come back to retest, and it's rejecting nicely of this level of support to go up to here. So this here could be a possible move for Euro USD. So yeah, like a breakout, come back to retest, and then push up to that high over there. That's what could possibly happen on Euro USD. Let's go back to gold, of course. You can see it's still busy pushing up. So what we do is, of course, we're going to go down now to the lower time frame to actually look and see what's going on. Doing live analysis now. Let me just send out a message here real quick to my free group, just so we get everybody in here on this here, on gold. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Alright. Go over here. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. We're on 110 viewers and 33 likes. Let's get to at least 50 likes. It's easy. 50 likes for you guys. I know you guys can do it right now. Just go and press boom. Isn't gold haram because people use it for money? No, bro. That's what actually makes it halal, to my understanding. If you use it as money, it's a form of exchange. So that's why you are allowed to trade it. But if you want to get an actual answer, go to a proper learned scholar in Islam and ask them, and they'll give you the reason why it's halal or haram and that kind of stuff. But yeah, for me on gold right now, you can see we're at the all-time high. So like I was saying, at the all-time high, it's dangerous to be taking trades, especially because if you want to look for a buy right now, you can see we had a very, very big move of a buy, right? If you see here, even if you put in a Fibonacci retracement, I don't normally use a Fibonacci retracement. Where is it now? I think this is a Fibonacci retracement. From there to there, you can see that this is your area that you want to buy from, I would think. Where is Fibonacci retracement? Should be here, right? Yeah, there we go. Fab retracement. Yeah, like I was saying, the same thing. I'm seeing a pullback down to this level over here, this level of support. I'm seeing a pullback to the level of support. We see we had a big push up. We now need to have a retracement and then come down. You saying here, have been taking losses this December, but you fail once you give up. Exactly. So you lost 2 live accounts, bro. That's unlucky, bro. I won't lie to you. Very unlucky. Just keep pushing. That's why we're taking it very easy in December. We're not pushing. We're not trying to, you know, make huge money in December because we made big money the whole, or like the rest of the year. There's no need for us to push and risk our profits. Mondays are usually slow. It's actually starting to build. Exactly, bro. It's basically giving us what the market might want to do for the week. The only thing is this week, yeah, of course, we know Wednesday, Thursday is public holidays, so the markets will be closed. So it's going to probably get interrupted a little bit. Me too, bro. I'm losing like crazy. I'm 7% crazy, bro. If you're down so much, I would rather say take a break for this December. Go and enjoy December instead. Enjoy, I don't even know where you're going to go to. You go Cape Town, if you go to Joburg, go Durban, just go somewhere. Just go and see the world, basically. Don't just be stuck on the charts the whole time. It's boring, man. It's December. Come back fresh in January and smash it, literally. The best day to trade. There's no best day to trade, bro. There is no best day to trade at all. There's no best day to trade. It's just like, yeah, there's really nothing that I can say about the best day to trade. Literally, it's has never been that way where you can specifically say, okay, on Monday we're gonna have a good trade, or on Tuesday have a good trade. It's literally just whenever the markets are good, it's good. But yeah, this is what we're waiting for right now. Like I'm telling you guys, waiting for the push to the downside, break below the support, retest it, and then push down. Alternatively, it could just continue to rise. Literally, it could just continue to push further and further up. Please give us a signal today in the stream. If it's possible, then I will. If there's no setup, I'm not gonna force it and just give out a trade. Literally, I can't do that. I cannot just give out a trade like that. I have to wait for a good setup first. If gold goes for sell, how would you calculate your setup or stop loss? So like this here, right? I would have it something like this here on the retracement there, and then I would look to have a stop loss about there and take profit at the bottom there. So something like this here, if we were to get it. Will gold ever give returns to margins such as Bitcoin or other stock exchanges? I mean, it's gone up by 100% in literally like the last year. So if you put in 10 million rand and you just bought gold, you'd have made 100% of your return back. So I mean 100% of your investment back, because the price of gold has basically doubled. If you see over here on the weekly time frame, you'll see what I mean, right? If we go to over here, right, I'll mark it out for you with a price range, right? Where is it here? That's March 2024. Crazy. So even if you look at, right, the last 2 years, right, from December or from January 2024 up until now, right, look at this, how much it's gone up. It's gone up by 119% gold. So it's over doubled. It's more than doubled from what it was literally 2 years ago, or not even 2 years ago, just under when this year was the 1st of January 2024. We're going into the 1st of January 2026 soon. That'll be in just under 2 years. Gold has actually doubled in value. So literally, it might not give returns like how Bitcoin does, where it was giving you 1,000,000% return and this and that, but like it'll give you good stable returns. That's the best thing about gold, is that it's a very stable thing to invest in. That's the nice thing that I like about gold. It's very, very stable. So you saw right there, I gave you literally a practical example of how much gold has actually gone up in just the last 2 years. Under 2 years actually. It's crazy. It's insane. You're saying, I won't lie, December price action has been chowing me. Just take a break, bro. Take a break and come back in January. That's the main thing. That's the best thing you can do. Gold just closed above 4426 bullish continuation. I don't know, bro. I don't know. It looks to me like gold is slowing down with the bullish momentum. You can see here we have very strong bullish candles. Very bullish, very bullish. Here we have a rejection, smaller bullish, rejection, smaller bullish, smaller bullish. That means the bullish momentum starting to die down for me personally. This guy says holding buys from 4405. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Some people say the big banks are on holiday, hence the price is not make sure. Possibly, bro. Possibly. That could be why it is like that, bro. What's up? I'm not gonna call you Abakar. I don't know how to say. Sadiq. I think that's what name is. I'm sorry, I don't know how to really pronounce names. Any analysis on NAS, and can you please check US30? I will, bro. Let me go here to US30 over here, and let's see what we can see on US30. Let me delete this drawing right there. Go to the 30-minute time frame. Yes, Sadiq. Perfect. Welcome, bro. Welcome. So we're gonna put here, of course, a level of support down there, level of resistance up there. That's it, just like that. So now we wait for it to either break below, retest, continue down. Oh my god, I'm gonna tweak out. Why is this thing doing that? Break below, retest, and sell off, or break above, retest, and buy. That's the two possible scenarios. Long name / words and dyslexia don't mix exactly, bro. Buys on US30? I don't know, man. I don't know. I messed up today. Had buys in the AM close over there in sells. Now I'm in drawdown. I'm praying will retrace by tomorrow, hopefully. Please make some special dua that gold goes down. Crazy stuff. But yeah, this is US30. What I'm saying on US30. It might be either to the upside or to the downside. We have to wait and see what's gonna happen. The same thing on NAS 100. Let's go and see. On NASDAQ. NAS is just pushing up. Crazy. Online NAS is looking very hard to actually analyze. Yeah, we're all good, yeah. Got some good viewers, we chilling.
Today I'm hot, today I'm cold.
Do you only use support and resistance? Of course, I only use support and resistance, nothing else at all. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. We're in between the range, so we have multiple options that can happen. Breaks below here, retests here, and goes down to there. Or just continues going higher, breaks above there, retests, and continues up. That's the two options for NAS 100 right there. But let's go back to gold and let's wait now to see what we want to see on gold, or the sell-off on gold. Let's see if it does actually come out. The sell on gold. You can see we're still waiting. We have about 5 minutes left until we get to NY open. Yeah, you go. Nah, it's charged up now. It's on 50%. Actually. Please look at German 30. Unfortunately, I can't look at German 30 because I promise you I've never traded German 30 in my whole life. And also it won't move nicely now during the NY session. There's literally like no point in even looking at German 30, bro. Need a new trading setup. My phone not doing anymore. Just make some profit, bro. Make some profit. Go invest in a nice trading setup with a nice PC. What sells?
That was blown one time, bro.
On way.
On gold. I was being an idiot.
Crazy.
Bro, I'm blowing accounts without me even knowing.
Damn. That's crazy. Actually, we're waiting for gold right now. US30 setup? Nah. We're trading gold. Were you ever interested in a strategy like ICT or SMC? Nah, the easiest for me is literally just support, resistance. It's nothing too complicated and just chilling. I got some nice PCs for sale. Hit him up, 100%, bro. Go for it. Connect. And they say support and resistance doesn't work, and yet the bros are driving BMWs. Exactly, bro. Now you can see what actually works and what doesn't work. All these bros out there saying, ICT, I'm making 100k. Bomber, show us your cars. Show us your houses. Then we'll know.
People that be wearing mad designer
Mm.
Dior and no door.
Exactly. They got crazy Dior, but they got no doors. They have no car doors, no house doors. What's going on, man? Can't be doing that around here, bro. If you show people that you're actually making money, then
Show me your power.
exactly. Now I didn't know on your story. Show me your money. Show me your power. Where was that by Love?
Okay, bro. Okay, it's very nice.
Is it the same guy that does it by Love?
Chandeliers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing. Their all voices sound the same.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, because it sounds the exact same. I was like, nah, wait.
Bro, they all say-
This is
all
crazy.
sound the same.
Shit.
Show me your mind.
They're saying, how do you know what is support and resistance? By taking my course. If you take my mentorship course, you'll know exactly what support is, what resistance is, and you'll be chilling. You're saying, if you plan on selling, where do you plan to take a sell from? From only after a year. Once we break below this support, that's when the sells will become valid. Once we break below the support level. Swear to God, I never lose a trade, BTC and USD or any crypto pairs, but the capital, yeah, that's the thing. You need big capital to trade those kind of pairs, bro. Everything works. You just need to know how to use it 100%. You have to just adapt to your strategy, make sure that it works properly, and make sure you also understand your strategy. So yeah, they say they say support and resistance is dumb money, lol. It's easy money. It's easy money. How much is the mentorship? The mentorship is 2,000 Rand once off, or $100 basically once off. It's extremely cheap. You get like 15 videos that you can watch. You get 4 live classes per week. You get a full group with people over there. So yeah, Marco the entrepreneur. If they don't take out the low, they will take out the high. Exactly. That's what we're saying, man. See, Marco the entrepreneur knows what he's talking about. That's why we're saying, if he's taking out this low, I'm gonna start talking like Marco. You know how he talks. So take out the low, but take out the high, and do that. Marco the goat. When price rejects on a certain level multiple times, yeah, bro. This person said that US30 is buying because he used ICT. I'm not sure where US30 is buying, man. I don't see any buys over here. Man. Do I do one-on-ones? Yes, I can do one-on-ones if you obviously like request for it. I made the mentorship course like fully online so we can prevent doing one-on-ones just for the sake of time. But if you do want the one-on-one, then you can obviously contact me and I'll set it up for you. Whether you be if you're in Joburg, Durban, Cape Town, doesn't matter. Support equals a roof. Resistance equals a roof and support equals floor. Exactly. Does NY not open at 2:30? Nah, it opens up now at 4:30, bro. NY open. US30 is selling exactly, bro. That's what I was telling them. US30 is selling. So where can I find you? You're gonna find me here on Instagram, bro. This is the Instagram that I use. I'll type it in here. Let's go. 120 viewers in the chat. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Don't forget to leave a like. Hit the subscribe button. I told you guys the goal is to get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of the year. But yeah, this is my Instagram right over here. You can contact me over there. It's the blue tick verified Instagram account on Instagram, of course. So don't fall for any of these other scammers out there. My account is the blue tick verified account. There are other guys trying to use my name, but you know that the account's verified with the blue tick. So that's me over there. You can contact me there for whatever you need. Mentorship, signals, whatever it may be. Have you ever traded anything else besides gold? I have. I have traded US30, Nasdaq, Euro USD, GBP, JPY. I've traded a few pairs before. I won't lie. Crazy. Look at US30. US30 massive buy. Nasdaq. Not that much of movement, I won't lie, but US30 is the one that's actually flying right now. Crazy. It's actually a madness and a badness. Did you say 430? Exactly, bro. 430. Trading is so easy, you have to master what works for you 100%, bro. Does the mentorship include the Holy Grail? No. I am completely separate from Marco. Marco's completely separate from me. So we two different traders, bro. It's not going to include the same things. My strategy is not the Holy Grail. That's Marco's strategy. My strategy is the FX killer strategy. So, yeah, man. That's that, I guess. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Gold is starting to come down now, which is quite nice. Gold is starting to move now. The Holy Grail is exactly. The Holy Grail is Marco. The Holy Grail is Marco, the entrepreneur. You can see movie in the chat. That's the one with liquidity sweep, breakout structure, then go to. I don't know. I'm not even gonna attempt to say that kind of stuff because I don't know what it means. I've never ever used that kind of stuff like ICT and that kind of stuff. But yeah. Now I bag $30 now on gold. I'm done. This market is moving exactly, but this market is moving crazy. But I'm glad that you caught a sell over here, Fiki. I'm glad you caught it. I am glad you caught it. We could also have a buy from this level over here. It's very possible to have a buy from this level of resistance turned into support. You could have a buy, basically saying like it goes here like this, breaks above, retests, and then goes even higher because there's just so much of bullish momentum in the markets. There's so much of bullish momentum in the markets right now. It could have a possible buy. Gold is still going to continue exactly like I was saying right now. Could be a possible buy. So someone said, yeah, can you please measure the pips on US30? Okay, the price range. There you can see over there. From 48,186 to 48,384. It's a massive move, about 2,000 pips. Or $200 on USD. It's crazy actually, I won't lie to you. But yeah, let's look for a scalp move here on gold. I want to get a buy on gold. I want to. Just because it's so much easier. I mean, it's so much easier right there. What's the most reliable pair to trade? For me personally, it's gold. For me personally, it's gold. It's the most reliable. Earnings are looking very bad in numbers, so a weak dollar means a buy on gold. Exactly, my bro. Exactly. Weaker numbers for the US dollar means that gold is going to go up because the US dollar becomes bearish, gold becomes bullish, and everybody's making big money. Big money, man. Big money moves. Big money moves. Big money on. Big money on. But you can see gold is selling off quite nicely right now, as I actually anticipated in the start of the stream, where it was going to sell off from this all-time high. Let's see if we can get an entry. Entry. Nah, so it's not looking like we're going to get an entry because of the rejection. You can see if you want to sell in this market, then it's going to have to be where the candle closes fully bearish. This here is closing with a rejection, which is showing us that there is still some bullish power in the markets. So after this candle close here, you can see close with a wick at the bottom like that. That's not where I want to be in. It's not like a very high probability setup, basically. So you're saying over here, should have left the runner, would have been a 1k pips. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky. A weak dollar makes gold stronger. 100%. Guys, it's falling because you look at the 5-minute chart. We want to see a shift on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I mean, we just looking at the 5-minute time frame now because we're just trying to get a scalp. But if you want the overall direction, then of course you have to go to the higher time frames. And that's why I was saying buys on gold, because look at this. Buy, 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 buy. Look at the candles. Read the candles and see what it's showing you. It's showing you that it's still so bullish. Hence, we are looking for buys here on gold, on Mr. Gold. Can you trade news using Comit Capital? No, you cannot. So you can't enter a trade 5 minutes before the news, and you can't exit it 5 minutes until after the news on Comit Capital. So if you are going to be trading with Comit Capital and there's news, you're going to have to swing the trade. So you're going to have to enter the trade early and then hold it, and yeah. Let's go. 51 likes. Let's get up to 70 likes right now. We're at 115 viewers. Let's get some likes going right now, guys. For this trade on gold, it's about to be a massive trade on gold. We're going to smash it. And you can see one guy was asking over here, is the mentorship strictly based on gold? Yes, it is. It's only based off of gold. Only based off of gold. Marco says, gold bias is buy. I don't see selling this here. On the live, I told you exactly. I said overall gold is going to new highs. 100%. Myself and Marco were literally on the stream on Thursday, and we told you guys that gold is going to go to a new high. And look at what happened today. Gold went to a new high. Just like that. Yo, just hit TP on US30. Amazing. Let's see what US30 is doing, if it's going up or going down. Not much, really. Kind of boring. But gold is where it's at right now. Sells at least made me 100 right now. Well done, bro. Well done, well done, well done. So gold buys, yes, but not right now. I have not entered right now. I have not entered. I'm waiting for this candle first to close bullish. If you can close bullish somewhere around here, then I'll look for buys. And the setup will look something like this. Buys over there, stop loss below there, take profit above here. Quick little 1:1, but we have not entered as yet. We have not entered. I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle first to close. Gold is just rallying up right now. We have 2 minutes left until the candle closure. Let's wait and let's see. Let's wait and let's see. Let us wait. Let me say here in the VIP signal group, possible buys on gold. Let's wait for our confirmations first. Can you please check for me the consistency rule on the one I want to purchase this week? Okay, just send me a message, bro. Send me a message and I will get back to you on the consistency rule. I'll get back to you on the consistency rule. Let's see. I have not entered the trade yet, guys. Just bear in mind, I have not entered the trade as yet. We are waiting for confirmation first. The main important thing, confirmations, man. You bought from there. Well done, bro. Well done on those buys. Let's wait. Okay, so no buys right now on gold. You can see that's why it's so important for us to wait for the setup to get confirmed, because you can see it was all the way up there, but the candle did not close over there. So we have to now wait and see if it can reject and go back up. So no entry right now. I'm going to type here in the VIP signal group and say no entry. No entry. Because of course we wanted buys. We see it's a bearish candle closure. So simply just take no entry. Literally. Just don't take an entry. It's just that simple. Nothing else. You just sit on your hands and you just wait and you see if the market will give you your setup, the one that you want, not the one that the market wants you to see. You have to wait for your setup to first play out and for your setup to be shown and then take a trade off that. We got a big rejection, exactly. They say it looks like a head and shoulders. I don't really trade with patterns, to be honest with you. I don't really trade with the patterns, so I can't really comment on the head and shoulders and go in, you know, like doing this, engulfing this and that. I just trade pure price action. If we have an engulfing candle, then it makes sense to me. I don't know about the head and the shoulder. I don't even know if this is a head, if this is a shoulder, if that's a shoulder, if this is a bicep or a tricep. I don't know. I don't even know. Price looks like it's rebalancing. Let's see, man. We just gotta wait and we just gotta see, bro. That's all we can do. You just gotta keep swimming, man. Just gotta keep on swimming. You good, bro?
Not good, man. Okay, December is finishing me, bro. December.
Que December. We're still waiting, yeah. Damn, now I have to book my other car in for a service. Now both cars are gone. Crazy. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. I think I have to just go buy more cars. So when one goes in for a service, the next one will be there to use. I want to low-key get a GTR next. I think that car will suit me, but it's very hard to find one that has no work done to it, and that's actually like a good price. Because people that have GTRs, yo, they make those things crazy. They put crazy work onto it. They're saying, damn, what happened, bro? What do you mean, bro? What happened? What do you mean, what happened? We're still chilling here, still waiting for the setup to be given to us, to be shown to us, and then take a trade off that. Remember what I said exactly, bro. Remember what Mr. Marco said. You see, it made a low, made a high, made a low, made a high, made a low, now made a high. If they fail to take the low, they will take the high. Exactly, bro. They fail to take this low over here. Where's that thing that I used to use? This here, I think it is. Nah, it's not this. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, you can see over here we have the low, high, low, high, low. That's our target over there. That's our target over there. That imbalance won't hold. Bullish engulfing candle and a morning star formation is saying. Oh, I mean the cars. Nah, just going in for service, bro. Just like the regular services that he has to go every 10,000 kilometers in. So just to keep the car healthy, because it's still a motor plan. It's like completely free. The services, you just really send it in. They say, okay, this is wrong, that's wrong. We're gonna cover it fully, and yeah. But I think I have to get new brake pads for the one car, because the brake pads are gone on that car. But yeah, this looks like a possible buy right now on gold. If we have a bullish candle like this here, then I will take a buy. Let's just wait and see if it does happen. Possible entry. Let me take all his drawings over here so we can actually see what's going on. What is going on? What is going on? Retracement will be crazy. Yeah, if it does retrace, it does retrace. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's all about the probabilities. We got now 28 seconds remaining before this candle can close. Let's see, let's see. Like I said, we wanted to close very bullish. We don't want it to have any rejections and that kind of stuff. So 15 seconds remaining until the candle closes. If it closes like this here, then I won't take a trade, because I don't want this rejection candle over there. That's not nice. Okay. The candle has closed, and it has not closed how I wanted it to. So there's no trade. No trade right now. And if you go down to the 1 minute time frame, you'll understand and see exactly why it's stuff. So you see, for me, for my strategy, it's showing me that, okay, yes, there's lots of bullish momentum in the markets, and it will most probably go up, but there's no safe entry points. Because remember, I want to get an entry where when we enter, it just goes straight into profits. We don't want it to be in drawdown and this and that. So for me, this rejection here on the 1 minute time frame is showing me that there is some bearish momentum in the markets, like a little bit of it. So to be safe, I'm not going to enter right now. I'm going to wait for a better setup to form and then do it. So in previous high was a sweep, stingy market. Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying, bro. The markets are being stingy to us today. It could definitely just continue just to shoot up, and I'm okay with me not getting into it because I want to have a safe entry. I don't want to, you know, be a certain in throwdown and it's coming close to stop loss and this and that. So yeah, I don't want a safe entry point where I know, okay, from here it's going to go straight up into my blues. It's not going to be any throwdown, this and that. So yeah, that's why I never entered the trade, because of that rejection on the 1 minute time frame. That's right here. And also because literally this is the all-time high over here. So it's trading very close to the all-time highs. But you can see it is pushing up actually quite a bit right now. It's up around 400 pips if you did enter. Which is kind of crazy. But I'm fine with having no entry. It's not the end of the world. Crazy. It's flying actually. It's unlucky that we didn't get an entry on it. It's unlucky. We had the right setup. We just didn't have the right confirmation to get into the trade. But well done if you did get into it. Well done if you caught this trade. You're up around 700 pips if you entered. And like I was saying, for me personally, I never entered because it wasn't looking good to me. Right? I didn't like this rejection over here. And it closed below this high over here. So that's why I didn't want to. Yeah, but he's been the whole stream, Marco. He's been saying buys the whole time. So like we told you guys, yes, we had the buy bias the whole time. I just didn't get a safe entry point. So that's why I never took my entries. This Fiki says he risked it for the biscuit and closed $50. Well done, Fiki, bro. I didn't enter. Same here, bro. Same here, Tsepo. I also never entered. So I didn't make any cash. And it's not a stress. It's not an issue at all. Rather stick to your trading plan, your trading strategy, and enter when you see what you want to see in the markets. So, yeah. They failed the high. Let's see. Yeah, I just took that high out over there. You are right. You missed it. Unlucky, bro. I think most of us missed it, except for Marco and for Fiki. I think they took the entry and they got it. But yeah, gold is very good trending market, no BS. Once it takes a direction, it's gone 100%, bro. That's why I personally stick to gold, because it's so easy to trade. Once it has this direction, it's just gonna go and go and go. And you all you have to do is be patient and hold. When you hold, you get paid nicely, literally. Was in NAS 100 buyers, got taken out by the drop. Unlucky, bro. Unlucky. Fiki says quick in and out. I think we have to open up that burger restaurant here called In and Out, because all of us over here, we just go in and out. Quick one. Boom. Buy. Hold for 10-15 minutes. Out. Crazy. Gut feeling is telling me not to go with the buy. It's all up to you, bro. It's all up to you. It's all up to you, my brody.
Don't trade with your gut feeling.
100%. Even Mr. Alexander Napolkov saying, don't trade with your gut feeling. Trade with what you see in the markets. So if you've seen that there's buys, go for buys. If you've seen there's sells, go for sells. Just that simple, man. Exactly. Don't be a gambler.
It's like going to a casino.
Literally.
Trusting your gut.
This is not the casino. This is forex trading, baba. Keep low wheel. Still no trade. Water. Trade knowing it's December and gold pays. That's what I'm saying, bro. Get the mentorship, get the signals, make yourself some money this December. Or don't even make money, just get the knowledge that you need for January, so you don't have to January when it's time to pay the bills. You know that you sort it out when you come to January. No worrying, no stress, Selena. Only profitina. Buyers all the way, guys. Remember what Marco said earlier, 400-500 exactly. All the way up until it's a big one. Yeah, if you catch this one, yeah, you're making millions. Poma 700 trillion. if you get a whole buy up to there. Why was the trade rejected? My connection cut because of this here, bro. This rejection over here. I didn't like that. That's why I never entered the buys. What time is this session ending? This session is ending at 5 o'clock. In the next 10-15 minutes, then I'll end off the stream. Marco says, remember, if a candle closes above the previous candle body, the next candle will target the previous candle high. Then if it fails, it will tackle the low. Exactly. Understanding candles is so important. Understanding candles. I'm traveling right now. I don't want to miss it. You aren't missing anything, bro. We are just chilling here, talking. There's no trade yet, as you can see. No trade right there as yet. Let's move this up over here. Okay. No trade, no trade, no trade. You're saying I'm only 3 weeks into trading. I'm learning 100%, bro. It'll maybe take you 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 years. Who knows? It's all up to you, bro, of how you understand it. Capitalizer 1:2 aggressive sell scalp. Well done, bro. Trading is so good. Like my mom won't pay a single penny for my siblings next year. School fees and expenses. I'm covering everything. That's the way, baby hero. You are an actual hero. You aren't even a baby hero. You are a massive hero. Taking care of your mother. That's the one of the best things you can do in life. Taking care of your parents, because they took care of you while you were growing up. So you have to take care of them now when they are grown up also. That's the way. I see we had 66 likes. Let's see if we can get to 75 likes on the stream right now. We've been here for about 55 minutes. 55 minutos. Let's see. Still waiting here on gold. Being patient, so important with being a trader. Being patient and waiting for your setup, so important. We're in the same boat, exactly, bro. We're all in this together. You know that song from High School Musical? We're running this together. It's a banger song. Banger. That's a big rejection. But now you see it's confusing because now we have a rejection over here to the upside and we have a rejection here to the downside. So watch the candles. They paint you a story if you know what to look for. Exactly. If you know what to look for. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, then it's time to get to know. Quite tired. Let's.
You want to talk about tired, bro?
I know this broer is tired over here. Alexander. Mr. Bratucha. What's this weather also like? Rainy.
Mr. Bratucha was going extra policy.
Even was Sage trades over here. What's going on? So based on what Marco said, if we don't take out the high, we're gonna take out the low. Exactly. If it doesn't take out this high, it's gonna take out that low. If it doesn't take out this low, it's gonna take out that high. It's that time of the month for gold. Yo, hardy boy, don't cry, hardy boy. And the main part is to learn where it's rejected. Not every candle is the right rejection, which I learned. Exactly. Not every candle is going to be the candle that you need to take a trade. Like right now, this 500 candle rejected and showed me don't take a trade. Yes, I could have taken a trade and I could have easily have gotten this profits over here of a 1:1.5 like this here, even a 1:1 like that. But I said I don't want to risk it. I don't want to take that trade. I just don't want to do it. So I just never entered. If I wanted to, I could. But I said it didn't align with my strategy. So I never took the trade. And that's why I never took the profit. Crazy work from you guys. We're at 80 likes right now. You guys are insane. Wow. You guys are actually insane. Also, let me know if you guys actually enjoyed my YouTube vlog. I posted a vlog on my channel I've been posting vlogs actually on my channel for a while. I actually just invested in a camera, like a vlogging camera, and the video got like 4.5k views, which is actually crazy. So let me know if you guys enjoyed that vlog on my YouTube channel, because of course, like, I want to vlog more. I'm also gonna vlog now when I go to Cape Town now in December for the holiday. I'm gonna like vlog the whole thing when we go like into the ocean, when we go do this, do that. Hopefully vlog the whole thing. I want to get a cameraman for it because it's obviously easier if I have a cameraman with me all the time. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy the vlogs. I loved your vlog. I vlogged your vlog. I don't know if you want to say I loved your vlog, but I appreciate it, bro. Keep the vlogs coming, got it, bro. All the vlogs are tops. Really enjoy that about you. I got you, bro. Yeah, we did, brother. We heard you went to Guna University. Crazy. I didn't. Okay, I did go to Wits. I don't know why my friend called it Guna University. They're just crazy. My friends are crazy. They're madness. The vlogs are crazy. I went back to last year when you were in Durban with your friends. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I also vlogged when I was in Durban last year with my friends for December. And I also vlogged that. That was actually quite a nice one, I won't lie. I charge a gold signal per day to be a cameraman. Yo, see this guy. This guy wants to be paid in gold signals. Crazy. Crazy stuff. How do we become part of a Comit Capital and Space Markets team? By signing up with the link in the description. That's how you become part of the team. Watch the candles. You gotta watch it, man. Gotta watch the candles. Watch the candles. So gold hasn't really even like given us a big move for the NY session. I think we're gonna have a big move now at 5 o'clock. I'm quite sure of it. We could have a big move now at 5 o'clock. So let's see, guys. Let's see, guys. If you can get a nice little trade going here before we actually end off the stream. Marco spitting facts. Bro spitting facts. Let's see, let's see. Can we get a trade? Can we get a trade? It's low-key looking like a sell. I won't even lie to you guys. It's low-key looking like a good sell. But the thing is the stop loss, man. The stop loss is so big. The stop loss is like 1,000 pips, bro. What? That's the issue. The stop loss is so big. But we might take a sell. We might just take a sell right now. Let's wait for this Candelo to close. Candelano. Let's see if this Candelano can close. Bearish. Can it close bearish? Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, man. Comit Capital. See the autocorrect crazy, bro. When USD goes down, gold goes straight up, exactly. So they should be crazy bullish momentum with the news. There's no news though. There's no news today, bro. There's no news today. Let's see. A few seconds left to close. Okay. The candle has closed and it didn't close bearish. It's literally, it's not giving us a setup. I'm not gonna take a trade. Like I said again, no trade. Once again, there's no trade to be taken here. The markets are not showing me what I want to see. I'm not enjoying the price action right now, so I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not gonna force a trade, because then when I lose, I know I'm gonna be angry. So I don't want to be angry. But yeah, bro, I feel like a big dump is coming possibly, bro. If you about to take a trade, I will definitely, bro. But for now, we are not taking a trade. The market is really just ranging. It failed to to take this low over here. It's possibly going to go for a high right now to make a new high. And you can see Marco said the same thing right now, Excel. They're going for another high. It's just annoying because we know where the market's going. It's just not giving us a entry point, like a safe point to say, okay, we now know that there's confirmation. Let's enter the trade or let's exit the trade. So that's the issue with it. That's the issue with it. So yeah, there's no trade right now. I won't lie to you guys. There's no trade right now. But I think with that being said, we've been on the stream for an hour. Gold isn't giving us what we want. There's no point in just, you know, sitting here and waiting. So I think we're going to end off the stream over here. Thank you guys once again for the amazing support on the stream. We're at 84 likes. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes before we end off the stream. We're going to end off the stream now in the next like 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see, can we get to 100 likes? We're only 16 likes away from 100. You guys will make my day if you can like it. If you have another alt account, go on the alt account, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Just get these numbers up right here. We're about to go ahead and call the stream right here. Is there a stream tomorrow? Yes, there is a stream tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'll be on for the New York session or for the London session, but of course I will post it on my social media, on my Instagram, my Telegram. I'll post it over there. I'll tell you guys, okay, we're going to be streaming this time, there's that. But yeah, with that being said, my people, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. And I hope you guys are enjoying your Monday so far. And I will see you guys tomorrow, either for London or for New York session. Yeah, peace out. Love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Be safe and don't blow your account. Don't blow your account. Get the mentorship, get the signals. Come right with FX Killers. Come right. I'll see you guys. Peace out.